Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome back to SoulSync. Let's be real. Every girl deserves to feel like she's the most important person in the world, especially to the man she loves. It's not just about expensive gifts or big gestures, but the little thoughtful things that make her heart melt and remind her that she's loved, valued, and cherished. If you've been wondering how to truly make her feel special, I've got you. Today, I'll share some of the sweetest, most powerful ways you can make her feel like the only girl that exists in your universe. 1. Listen without interrupting. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to make her feel special is to really listen to her. Not the type of listening where you're just waiting for your turn to speak, but the kind where you absorb every word she says. Look at her when she's talking, put your phone away, and give her your full attention. That undivided focus makes her feel like her words matter deeply to you. When a girl feels truly heard, she feels truly valued. Many times, she doesn't want solutions. She just wants to share her thoughts, her day, or even her silly little rants. By being patient and attentive, you're showing her that her emotions deserve space in your life. That kind of presence is rare, and it builds a strong emotional bond. Even in the smallest conversations, listening without distraction makes her feel important. It's not about agreeing with everything she says, but about validating her feelings and showing that her voice has weight. This level of attention is something she will never forget, and it makes her feel like she's always safe in your presence. 2. Remember the little things girls love when you remember the small details they tell you. It could be her favorite snack, the way she likes her coffee, or even a story she mentioned weeks ago. When you bring these things up later, it shows that you were paying attention and that her words matter to you. That little effort makes her feel so valued. Remembering the little things is also about thoughtfulness. If she mentioned she had a stressful week coming up, sending her a supportive text the night before means the world. If she said she loves a certain song, playing it randomly when you're together will light up her whole mood. It's the little, intentional gestures that remind her she's always on your mind. Girls often feel special when you notice things they don't even point out. Maybe she changed her hairstyle or wore new earrings, and you compliment her right away. That tells her that you don't just see her, you notice her. And trust me, that attention makes her feel adored in ways she won't always admit out loud. 3. Publicly show affection. A girl feels extra special when you're not afraid to show the world how much she means to you. It doesn't have to be over-the-top PDA, but small things like holding her hand in public, introducing her proudly as my girl, or even keeping your arm around her shoulders. It reassures her that you're proud to have her by your side. Public affection matters because it shows her she's not a secret. She feels secure when you openly acknowledge her because it tells her you're serious about her. When you make her feel seen in front of others, it boosts her confidence and makes her feel loved on a whole different level. Even the smallest gestures, like opening the door for her or pulling her closer in a crowd, make her feel cherished. It's not about proving anything to strangers. It's about showing her that you're not afraid to love her openly. That confidence in your love makes her heart feel safe. 4. Support her dreams. One of the most powerful ways to make a girl feel special is by supporting her dreams. Whether she wants to start a business, change her career, or even pick up a new hobby, your encouragement means the world. When you believe in her, it strengthens her belief in herself. Supporting her isn't just about saying, you can do it. It's about asking questions, checking in on her progress, and celebrating her milestones. Even if her goals seem small, your encouragement makes her feel like her passions are important too. That emotional support builds trust and love in ways words can't describe. When a man respects and supports a woman's dreams, she feels valued not just as a girlfriend, but as an individual. It shows that you don't just love who she is today, but also who she's trying to become. That kind of support makes her feel safe, appreciated, and deeply special. 5. Celebrate her achievements. Girls feel incredibly special when their achievements are acknowledged and celebrated. It doesn't matter if it's something huge like a promotion or something small like finishing a book she's been reading. When you notice her wins and cheer her on, she feels like you're her biggest fan. Celebrating her achievements also tells her that her efforts don't go unnoticed. Sometimes she may downplay her success, but when you point it out and celebrate it, you remind her how amazing she is. That recognition can mean more to her than any gift ever could. It's not about throwing her a big party. Sometimes it's as simple as congratulating her with a hug, buying her favorite treat, or sending her an encouraging message. These little celebrations make her feel supported and loved, and she'll always remember how you made her feel in those moments. 6. Be protective, without controlling. A girl feels deeply special when she knows you care about her safety and well-being. Being protective doesn't mean being controlling. It's about making sure she feels secure. Walking her to her car, checking if she got home safe, or stepping in when someone makes her uncomfortable shows her you've got her back. This kind of protection makes her feel valued because it shows that her safety matters to you. It's not about treating her like she's fragile, but about treating her like she's precious. Those little acts of care stick in her mind, and they make her trust you even more. What makes it even more powerful is when your protection feels natural, not forced. She feels special when she knows you'll always look out for her, without her needing to ask. That sense of security creates a bond that's hard to break. 7. Make time for her. Time is one of the biggest love languages. A girl feels extremely special when you prioritize her in your busy schedule. Whether it's planning a date, taking time to call her, or simply being present when you're together, she notices when you make her a priority. Making time for her is a way of saying, "You matter to me more than distractions or excuses." Even small acts like watching a movie together or eating dinner without rushing make her feel loved. It's not always about doing something extravagant, but about giving her your presence. When you consistently make time for her, she feels secure and valued. It shows that no matter how busy life gets, she'll always hold an important place in your world. And that feeling is priceless. 8. Express love in words. Never underestimate the power of telling her how much she means to you. Girls feel incredibly special when they hear words of love, appreciation, and admiration. Saying "I love you," "I'm proud of you," or "you're the best thing in my life" can melt her heart instantly. It's not about overloading her with words every minute, but about expressing your feelings genuinely. Random texts in the middle of the day, or whispered words before she falls asleep, can mean the world to her. These affirmations make her feel secure and constantly reminded of your love. Even small compliments, like telling her she looks beautiful or that she inspires you, can stay in her heart forever. Words carry power, and when they're said with sincerity, they make her feel adored, cherished, and deeply special. So beautiful people, those are some of the best ways to make her feel truly special. It's not about money or grand gestures, but about effort, presence, and love shown in everyday moments. Every girl deserves to feel like she's the most important person in her partner's world. And when you do these things, she'll never doubt how much she means to you. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment below. Tell me which of these touched your heart the most. And of course, subscribe to SoulSync for more heart-to-heart talks. Until next time, keep loving deeply and beautifully.